What's happening? Yeah, what's happening? What's that? That's it, you got it.
Come over here. Come over here by me. You gotta look at that. We gotta tell everybody. Ready?
Yeah.
You excited to open this?
Yeah.
Here, let's open it. Can I do what's happening first? Here, I'm gonna do it real quick, okay? What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of What's Happening? This is the segment where I get to interact with you guys, kind of go over what happened in videos and whatnot. And today is a very special episode because I got more fan mail and my son actually gets something too. Or he said there's something for my son and then something for me in here. So we're going to put this together. You say hi to everybody?
Hi.
This is my son Wes. All right, so real quick before you open it, this is from Jay. And then I'm not going to butcher your last name, but it starts with B. So I'm going to say it's from JB. You ready to open it?
Cheese.
Okay.
What if I like this?
Oh, hold on. Watch your hands, please. Watch out. This is sharp. I didn't want to cut you. Right, make sure this is out of the way. And then you can help me open it. How's that sound?
Good.
You got that tape? Okay, you get that tape. Don't want to give away any addresses.
I got this thing.
All right, you got it? Okay. Now open this part right here. All right, get it. Get it.
Yeah.
Oh, get it, get it.
Yeah.
What's in there? What is it? What is that?
What about this?
Hey, no. Go over here. Here, take the rubber band off.
And the key.
Hold it. All right, open it up. It's down right here. Oh, so cool. Whoa.
That's for me.
That's to go in your room, dude. Look at all these guys. Whoa.
Look at that guy.
You like that? Who's that look like?
Oh, hey.
Old Heavy, huh? So cool.
Oh, look at this rainbow.
Look at it. I think that's Jay's car.
Yeah.
Right there. I think this is dude. This is our guy. I think that's his Nova. Yeah, my car's definitely not doing that yet, but awesome. That works out good, huh?
I just showed it to Mom.
Okay.
I think I'll put it in my room.
Okay, we're not done yet. Put it right there. That actually works out really well because we changed his room up. He actually has a race car bed, and you have a bunch of race car posters, huh? You excited about that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, set it down right there. I think there's more stuff in here.
What?
No, put the poster down. All right, come over here.
Nope.
Put your arm in there.
Need to put my arm.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay, let me open this side real quick.
I think I have a robot eye.
You have a what?
A robot hand.
You have a robot hand.
Yeah.
Is that better than a regular hand?
Yeah.
Oh, what's in there?
D.
What is it?
D. I get
Pull hard, pull hard. Whoa. All right, let me see. So that's for Dad. See, that was his car.
It's my shirt.
It's your shirt. You got a shirt and a poster? Let me see if I hold it up. Check it out. So that I was right. So look at that. Pro Charge 67. Awesome, man. Thank you very much. So he already took the poster and ran. All right, say goodbye to everybody. Oh, all right. So much for that. That is awesome, Jay. Thank you very much. Oh, man. I will have you know, by the way, that the Malibu was actually supposed to be a 66 or 7 Nova, and that's like pretty much my favorite muscle car. Granted, the hard thing though, because they're so cool, I'd have to buy one that's already raced out. Because unlike my car that's a little roached out that I don't feel so bad about making a race car out of, like I don't know, like John, my buddy John Chase from Hoonigan has that really nice 67, and I like how he has his kind of the street car. But I'm so much of an idiot. If you gave me that car, it'd have to go faster and faster, and this is what it would turn into. So I don't know. I like the car a lot, and I will rock the shirt. Thank you very much, man. hopefully one of these days I can go watch this thing run. He's back in Chicago, Illinois. So hopefully I can get over to the East Coast one of these days. But for now, the budget is slim, and we are just trying to go racing. Speaking of which, on to my video for the week. We finished the roll cage for the Malibu finally. Man. And then it even got delayed because I was there Friday. We ran out of rod. And then my buddy Kike couldn't show back up until Monday. So I thought we were going to do it Friday and maybe Saturday I'd pick my car up. So I had to wait all the way till Monday. But it is
Daddy,
done. Yes, buddy.
Now we have 5 posters. Now we have 6.
You have 6 posters? Woo! I like it. What do you say? Thank you, Jay.
Thank you.
No. Well, it was close enough. Sorry. So anyways, my car is home. It is actually in my driveway outside as we speak. So I'm very excited about that. Except now, I'm going to start a whole new list of things to do. I got to walk around the car, kind of prioritize, and then just get cracking on that thing. So I'm trying to take it and do some shakedowns before zip tie if I can. But if not, the big picture and the big focus is getting to zip tie drags in Tucson, Arizona. So that is the game plan, the major game plan. If I can make it local and do some shakedowns, I will do that. I know I can at least make some street passes, some shakedowns, just to drive it around, make sure it doesn't leak and puke and do all that fun stuff. So looking forward to that, but we still have a laundry list of things to get done on the car. Other than that, real quick questions. I had somebody actually ask me, cost-wise on the cage, was it pre-bent, and to elaborate a little bit on cost. So I have 2 groups of friends, essentially. I have like the sloppy mechanic style buddies that is just budget, hardcore budget. You just use what you got right in front of you, slap it together, and go, essentially. So that is kind of what I lean towards because that's where my budget usually, is roughly. Like I'm in between. It just depends, but most of the time, very budget oriented on stuff. But my buddy, KP Fab and Tune, he tunes and works on some really nice stuff. He has a couple nice cars. His little Datsun is going to be a little monster when that thing's done. And he does some nicer. Yes.
I want to put it in my room now.
You gonna put the poster in your room?
I did.
Only if you say thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Jay.
All right, thank you, Jay. So, anyways, Kike has a few nice cars. He tunes and works on a bunch of nice things. They do things more in the right way, if you will, versus the things I do. I'm kind of like the black sheep guy that hangs out the shop that does kind of the booger style cars. Hey, what are you doing? Let Dad finish this, you silly goose. And so yeah, Kike talked me into doing Chromoly. Hey, Kike talked me into doing Chromoly. Look at what you started, Jay. Hey, I can see you. Everybody can see you. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you done harassing me? Do you want to be on the video with me?
No.
Okay. The guys over at KP Fab and Tune have a lot of nicer stuff, so they kind of push for actually putting pistons and actually putting rods in and spending some money. And then the slot mechanics portion of me is run what you brung. You just put the motor in. If you blow it up, at least it was cheap to begin with type deal. And then, so I'm in between on both of those. So he was the one that actually talked me to Chromoly to save weight, because the car already kind of weighs a bunch anyways. It's a full frame car plus a body equals a lot of weight. So we were trying to save a little bit of weight, and then Kike offered to weld it up. He said, because I was going to just buy a pre-bent cage, I was going to MIG it in, keep it cheap. You can get one for like, I want to say less than $300. And the Chromoly cage is like double that. I want to say it was like $700 or something, maybe a little bit more. It was a little bit more plus shipping. But because he offered to help me and weld it, I figured I'd save time, save money, save weight. It'd be a win-win. Well, I got the cage from S&W, and it wasn't what I expected. It was pre-bent, and the bends were good, but it wasn't really coped. Where it was coped, the dross was bad on there. Like it wasn't conducive for TIG welding. It wasn't ready to go at all. So I put a lot of effort into just basically tacking that thing and getting it in place in the car with the fit well enough so you could actually TIG weld it. So that was the issue. It cost a bit more. I did save weight. It didn't save any money. It definitely didn't save any time. If I had to do it over, I would probably just do mild steel and I would burn that thing in. Especially if you're on a budget, I wouldn't really bother with the chromoly stuff. It is such a pain in the ass. If your TIG welding skills aren't, you gotta be pretty good. Not just like okay, or like sit at the bench okay. You're gonna be in some really weird positions. You might have to have somebody else hit the pedal while you're welding it. I mean, if you're not at that level with your TIG welding skills and can hang upside down and like fill gaps and stuff, I would just stick to the basics. I honestly, I don't know if I'll ever do another chromoly cage again. I'd probably just get a lighter car and stick the steel in it and just call it a day, because I could burn a cage in a weekend if it was a cut and fit like that, like a nice long weekend. But TIG welding, it's a lot. The fits has to be a lot better, and it's a whole different ball game. So those are my thoughts on that. I don't think I'll do chromoly from here on out. I'll just pick a lighter car to do maybe next time, and then we'll just go from there. But so other than that, that is pretty much it. I have to call the machine shop. I've got a short block that is being assembled hopefully for the Twinnebago. I went to the junkyard and I pulled all the accessories and everything for the Twinnebago. So that motor is kind of coming together pretty quick here. Other than it's not here yet. And then I got to keep a lookout for the transmission. I want to do a 4L80E. So I have the overdrive, and hopefully that'll save a little fuel. I figured if I put it in, the added expense now will get paid for when we're driving that thing as soon as we drive it, because it's going to be heavy if we're towing with it. All the gas expense I save is worth the extra money up front. So that's what we're doing. So fishing for more parts. I'm going to get a list of things going on the Malibu. I'll bring you guys back, and we'll start working on those things and hopefully get that thing wrapped up and go make some smoky burnouts with it soon. But it still runs. It drives loaded, unloaded on the trailer. But again, I got to go through all the fluids, go through all the stuff, button up some wiring, all that fun stuff. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of What's Happening. Thank you very much, Jay, for the poster that my kid was swinging around here and everything. Like, he already put it in his room, so he's excited. Thank you very much. And then I will definitely be sporting the shirt when I go out to the next event. I think we're going to go out to the track. I'm going to take him this week if it's not all rainy and cold or whatever. So I'll definitely rock the shirt. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good one. Catch you next time.